Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. Today is going to be the beginning of a series of how-to videos, and today we're going to start with how to properly clean out your PC. So there's a few things you'll need to get started. One is going to be air duster. You can buy this at Walmart, Target, Amazon. Second thing you need is a good toolkit. And I've got my screwdrivers and everything that I'm going to need in here. And then third thing is get an anti-static wrist strap. This is good for working on any kind of electronics, or prevent you from accidentally discharging static electricity onto your fragile computer parts. And then the last thing you need is a vacuum cleaner. I use a vacuum cleaner. You can get a little hand vacs, or you can just dust it out by hand. But I found that the best thing to do is use the duster to blow it free, and then use the vacuum to suck up all the dust so that it doesn't get back in your PC and on all of your components.
Alright, so you're going to take your screwdriver set and unscrew the screws right here. Pull the side panel off, and then you're going to get into the inside of the PC. Make sure to put your anti-static wrist strap on so that you don't fry anything in there. And you just take the clip it right there to the case. So you're just going to take your duster can and get right down in there, and then you're going to take your nozzle of your vacuum cleaner and just suck it off. Now on these fans, any fans you have in your PC, especially your CPU cooler, which is this fan right here, you don't want to let that thing spin when you're blowing on it. So just use a finger or something, just hold it still. And just give it a nice blow off like that. And one bad thing about these air duster cans is they tend to get really cold, especially if you angle it downwards or shoot it down, and it'll actually shoot out condensation. Yeah, you can see it right there. You don't want that in your PC. This is an older PC, so I don't have to really worry too much about it, but you definitely don't want to get that cold condensation shot into your PC, because that will fry your components. So what I just showed you was just a basic quick clean of your PC. What you can actually do, if you feel like it, is you can do a more deep, thorough clean, and you can pull out some of your components, your hard drive, your case fans, maybe even some of your wiring. Pull some of that stuff out, dust it off, get all the dust off of there. Just make sure you're always going to be wearing one of these wrist straps, or standing on an anti-static pad, just something to ground yourself so you don't end up frying the components in your PC. But like I said before, this is going to be the beginning of a series of how-to videos. They're just going to be simple, couple-minute long videos. So click the notification bell so you'll know whenever we post new videos, and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching again, guys.